What's up everyone? Today gonna be interesting training without even my lifting shoes. So I pulled my back during my trainings, which is probably for someone obviously. And today I'm gonna show you exercises how to make back stronger for not getting such injuries in the future. Or if you have some problems with back, it's gonna be great exercise for the back. We're gonna use back hyperextension machine. Let's begin. Basically, what we are doing here. So we hang on the hyperextension. It's actually not the best one hyperextension, but if in your gym you don't have horizontal hyperextension, it's gonna work as well. So we are doing like 10-12 reps with very light weight or without weight. If you cannot do with weight, you can use stick, PVC pipe, whatever, even without weight. 10 reps up and down hyperextension, then hold 10 seconds, and then twist to the sides, like hammer shark. What we are doing here, we are working fully deeply between backbones on the big spinal erectors, glutes and hamstrings, including even lats, I mean like shoulder blades. And you strengthen the back, body very deep. After few sets, especially few days and few weeks, you can forget about pain. After few sets, you'll feel that your back is very pumped after even first set. And not just pumped like after crazy weight, but pumped somehow like from inside. In few weeks, let's say 2-3 weeks, consistent work, not overloaded work, I can guarantee you're not gonna feel pain in your back. So that's why if you pull some muscle, if you have even hernia, this exercise is great. Just don't rush, never rush, be very careful. And everything's gonna be fine. But I have set number 3. This weight is actually too light to me. I'm gonna go grab 50 pounds bar. Right, there wasn't 50 pounds bar, I took 60. Let's see how it's gonna go. Closing set number 3. Has done. I feel my back very well. Actually, I haven't done this exercise a while. Maybe that's why I pulled my back. But now, actually, I feel that I can at least try snatch today. Maybe clean and jerk. We'll see. But I can do my training because my back is not bothering me. Feel a little bit torching, but my back is holding myself. That means everything works fine. Actually, right before I started to record this video, I showed this exercise to one lady. I came here, put the weight, she started asking, and actually she had hernia. I showed this exercise without weight, of course, and she went away from the gym forever. Handy. Alright, let's show you next exercise. So the exercise number 2 for creating your back or rebuilding your back is curl deadlift. So very important. If your back is just a little pain, no problem, you can do that. If you have already hernia, better skip this exercise for the first time. In the future you can add that, like in 3 weeks. Let's start, let me show you a few sets. Start always with empty barbell. One set, I feel my back very well. Like I feel like that I train my back. Maybe it can be 2 sets, maybe 3, not more than 3 sets. Gonna be enough. Actually, with pulled back, I feel this exercise very well. Just don't rush with weights. You have to make sure that you stretch your back. Then everything's gonna be fine. But I have second set. Let's go together. very good exercise. But after first one, this is kind of heavy to do. Alright, let's go to the next exercise.